The system automatically regulates your speed and corrects your vehicle's trajectory by associating the adaptive cruise control with stop and start function to the lane departure warning system. This is a Level 2 driving automation system that provides driver comfort and tranquility. It is particularly suitable for driving on motorways and dual carriageways. Be careful to use the system. The adaptive cruise control with stop and start function must be activated. Press on the Highway Driver Assist activation button. If the pictogram is gray, one of the operating conditions is not met. The system is paused. If the pictogram is green, the system is operating. If the pictogram is orange, there is a system malfunction. In such an event, please have your car checked out by a Citroën dealership. If you wish to deactivate the system, press this button again. When the function is activated, you must hold the steering wheel correctly. The steering will carry out minor directional correction, steering the vehicle and maintaining the chosen position in the lane. This position is not necessarily the center of the lane. You will now notice the steering wheel movements. You remain in charge of your vehicle, of course. At any time, you can resume control by moving the steering wheel, for example, which suspends the function. When the vehicle in front of you slows down, your car adapts its speed to the preceding vehicle and does so until the car is totally stationary. If the car is not stationary for over 3 seconds, your vehicle restarts automatically. Beyond the 3-second limit, to restart your vehicle, touch the accelerator or the adaptive cruise control button.